Well, I've just been called to look at this fault on this Zappi charger. It doesn't appear to be charging the vehicle. Not quite sure what's wrong with it yet. I don't deal much with charger faults, really. You know, we install car charging points, but Zappis tend to be a bit few and far between because they're quite expensive units compared with other models. But I just want to show you one or two things on this job. I've just come to site and just opened the garage door, and just want to show you a few things. Just flick the camera around. Right, for starters, okay, look at this. Look at this. We've got a bit of twin and earth here. A bit of 6mm twin and earth. This bit of Ethernet cable or CT clamp cable, just tie up to it. Into this great big mess here, big rat's nest, and these CT wires coming up through the board, out into this monitoring unit here. And then, of course, we've got these DC cables here. No labels on, no labels, not marked up what they are. Through the wall. And these you can't see it on this video, but tie wrapped up the side of this drain pipe. I mean, come on. What an absolute bodge. And top it all off. They've fed the car charging point from this board here. And no doubt they've tapped it onto the RCD side, which is the type A, AC. I don't know. Just the whole thing is just a bit crap. Anyway, I'll try and figure out what's wrong with this charge point. Not to mention this great big hole at the top of the board. Yeah, that's not good, is it? What a bunch of cowboys. Let's take the front off this board and have a quick look inside, see what we can see. What do you reckon? Nice job or shit job? Let's have a look. Let's have a look, shall we? Crappy Hager boards. I'll put the phone down a minute. Well, it looks like what they've done, they've taken the feed through there, across here, onto this 32 amp MCB, which is on the RCD side of this consumer unit. So of course if we get any DC leakage, it's going to blind that RCD, effectively compromise the safety of all these circuits. Yeah, why on earth they do it that way, I do not know. And then they're taking these CT wires through the bloody board at the top. I mean, why would you do that? Why wouldn't you just take them across here and through into this? Why would you go through the board and then around over the top and in it? What is all that about? Anyway, better take the front off this Europa box and see what the CTs are like. Okay. I'll look at this battery solar installation, whoever's done it. And this, again, it's just shocking. Look at these battery cables just strapped over a gas pipe. What's that about? At least I think it's a gas pipe. Yeah, straight out the gas meter. This is bonded. Yeah, there's no fuse isolation between the inverter and the battery pack. It's just horrible. Whole installation is just awful. What a bunch of cowboys. Anyway, back to this. What is all that about? It comes bloody through the board into the top of this gland here, when it could have just come simply across straight into the bottom of this. In fact, you wouldn't need this cable here where it's been. Yeah. So looks to me like that's the CT clamp for the Zappi, and that looks like the CT clamp for the solar. So one's leaked into the other, so let's go into the meter box and have a look what's in there. Right, just back on this job. Yeah, just confirms whoever's put this Zappi charger in here, connect it to this 32 amp trip that's connected to the type AC RCD. So that's a bit naughty. We just fitted this CT clamp on this outgoing side to the solar inverter, just so the My Energy Harvey, which I've got in bits down here at the minute, can monitor the usage and the feeds to and from the solar and sort itself out accordingly for that. Just about to put the cover on the consumer unit and notice the state of this. Look at the state of that. It looks like it's been chewed by a rat. Look at the bloody state of that. Hey? So I'm just going to get my file out and just file all that flat, make it fit a bit better, make it so it's not going to have daft sharp edges on it. Yeah, cowboys.